So, hello student. Today we are going to discuss the concept of Open Web Application Security Project, that is OWASP. So, what is this? The Open Web Application Security Project, or OWASP, is an international non-profit organization which is dedicated to web application security, which is one of the OWASP core principle is that all of their material which is to be freely available, openly available and accessible to their website, so which is making it is possible for anyone to improve their own web application security. Okay, so there are different tools and documentation, videos and forums which are available. That is, first one is injection. So injection attacks, it happens when untrusted data which is sent to a code interpreter through a form input or some other data submission to the application. That are, an attacker could enter a SQL database code into a form that expect a plain text or username, and if that form is not properly secure, this will result in the SQL code which is to be being executed. This is known as SQL injection attack. Okay, let's take the example, that is Gmail. Okay, on the Gmail account, whenever we are going to log in, what it require your username and password. Whenever username and password which is to be matched with the given database, at the same time user allow, not user, the database server allow you to enter into the system. Okay, but with the help of SQL attack or SQL injection tool, the attacker use a different types of queries, and with the help of that it allows, or what we can say, that it motivate, encourage the database server in a such a way that whenever we are going to put the wrong password, at the same time the user, the database server send a true value. Okay, whether it might be that particular username or password doesn't match, but in response to that the it shows true value. Broken authentication, vulnerabilities in the authentication login system, it can give attackers to access to user account and even the ability to compromise an entire system using an admin account. For example, an attacker can take a list containing a thousand of known username or password combination of obtained during a data breach and use a script to try all those combinations on the login system. Sensitive data exposure. If web application don't protect sensitive data, such financial information and password, attackers can gain access to data and seller utilize it for nefarious purpose. One popular method for stealing sensitive information is used on path attack. XML, that is XML external entities. This is an attack which is against a web application that provide XML input. This is input can be represented an external entity and attempting to exploit a vulnerability in the parser. Broken access control. The access control refers a system that control access to information or functionality. Broken access control allow attacker to bypass authorization and perform tasks as though they were privileged users such as administrator.